Is the third day of our protest. As we all know that the protest is going still as the protest is still going on, and our demand is not yet fulfilled. We have been requested our honorable PVC sir to take action regarding our action, but still the solution is not coming yet. So if the honorable PVC has not capable of doing his post, then we want his resignation from his post from today onwards. And if the Silchar does not care, really does not care about the Assam University Difu campus, then please implement the full-fledged university status of Assam University Difu campus.
Tum bas hum ni hang lo ihum nang pilo anta me ni tum dimana teng tu bas nangi la ke tum ningkan hini apramenta la so pot ke ni tum hang lo je tum bas nang je ke la sutta PVC sar pen VC sar pen ke ekta written assurance long lo je ni tum ke university bas ang pipo ni hire po anta be patum mi dik si ni tum la protest cheng hot si ni tum hana promise lo je ekta bas ke nang pipo. So why they have taken so much of time? People say latum nituhan immediately bipidel la nitum lahai protest dharna do era pisi latum people sana pilo pola. So question nitum raise lo anta me nituhan only 1% of bichos. So nitum one of the demands ki complete plan anke regarding admission status ma ke non anta nitum han ke nathan paka ke anke hode honare lo nitum than lo je vacancy seats to anang ke fill up nang po ate fill up lo putte nitum non deprive student bang ke the future long hota porhi long po once to ke manglo anta me non anta la so response people lang
Nitum pini third day ke chokar ni isi information long hai nitum first day protest ke do ke chengar ni haso pen anche chak ateng patumi ne pen nili as vice president pen nili president khatkhati along with UDC officials tumlong dun lo CPWD official long ama dingke latuma bang so ekta application ai pido so application nitum hanai pi binongali napaklang binongali sitame nili bang photo enonjama enon that so ateng pen isi details pachining tung bang ke lalo boys hostel alam ladak ketok bang ke boys work order long ketok akam vek abang ke lapulo 100 bedded boys hostel at Assam University Difu campus including furniture to CPWD Khatkhati division possible enke sanction amount from Assam University abang ke 8 crores 99 lakhs 43,600 sitame patumi president pe nili athengno latum ke hang damang ke furniture alamang latum hadak pin puram de latum ke hang mang kopilo final bill ke jitia ke hang ji ke 100% completion of works akam tang etlo pansi final bill ke hang ji mate di ke hang ji mane bang seng submit po sitame latum mang ke akam tang tiang ko si final bill abang si pin puram rong lo final bill se hang nam rong lo ama hal tu nanti caklo atumi bang executive engineer CPWD Khatkhati division abang abedet amad hala assistant engineer abang si mane ekta draft bill bang pini yang bong nitum mulai po nang cisen po polo amad pamu ladak dharna do bomo sartung bang lo arjudun thulo sir ende la so bill nang bothai lo ma nang bothai thelang mane la so teng bolote la tomang aba ahon mu bang kidipji phanlok si ke try enke PVC mata ekta lan a concern donang ji de 100% akam tangtiang ko le become si final bill le hang rong lo CPW diben la si kechok che bang ke ladak theglong lok ajoini si nitum pini student kadoka pen isi authority to man demand lo that details project report DPR plan and estimate including everything la so 100 bedded boys hostel along ko ana paisa si nang kele ma ko ana paisa si ka khoros ma ko ana paisa si ke panong ma so details itum ke hang piniang bongjong si nang pipe pulote nitum Monday ni RTI nitum nang jogji put hanolo but still no action alang tum nang thak upilo nitum la DPR ke nitum long abi silchar long sidu a building nang ke kim ke ladak difu campus long engke a DPR ke do ke silchar long pu lason ke nai palu alam chot ahok per alam ke DPR ke tum long da doji athela tum ta difu campus administrative tum ta chini nang ji je ladak kopia building si nang kim bom ma kopia phan ma pot alang tum ta chini nang lana details abi pengel alang tum ta permission ke pilo PPD nang ji
nitum arlo so tum ki face a problem mate majokta face lo la so problem abang ke la hilo nitum bas pen ke dang lok seta me kaprek ka facility seta mini tum ki sung do athema nitum la dak nanga purhi ke nitum ki thek la pu pen takali a standard takidu ja phan nitum master student answer ke nitum isi lata ni tu maki mesena facilities long ji puni tum neng the se la dak nang dun lo seta me jo piniar ni anta bas anta me mesen pen ni tum nang dun long le kai keta la dak di furong ki mi anang le lote la dak pen an ke asit ta kai keta ave lo titi an ke la son thak thak se kapre atum daki phodopik.
We are hiring our financial advisor, development officer. Be part of our team. Flexibility, professional growth, good paycheck. For more details, call on 99577 65530 and 936587236. Send your CV to Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance, Dipu Branch, Town Outpost, Municipal Board, Complex Main Market.